Okay, 3 common mistakes made by CDL students when doing reverse offset is coming into the alley too soon. But the fix is easy. If you see, I'm just pointed to the driver, to the student, where the trailer needs to be. The rear trailer tires needs to be on like this 1 hash mark off the cone. See, he came in too early, so I got 3 small clips here demonstrating how to fix it. It's an easy fix, just don't panic. The steering wheel on the tractor is already facing to the right. All the student needs to do is pull to the right just a little bit and then come back to the left and straighten up. And that's the fix. The trailer will move, the rear of the trailer will move to the left, and that is the fix. Do not overdo the adjustment. And now he needs to just do a straight line back. You'll see the cone coming up, and you'll see the position of the tractor tires and the cone very shortly. There it is. That's fix number 1. Now we're going to go to Apex Technical Institute, Apex CDL School in Kansas, and you'll see another correction. This is a very good shot of the trailer. He's coming in too early. His overhead views is showing that he's coming in early. See the distance between the cone and the trailer? That's coming way early. Overhead shot, the view. The line. You don't panic. You see what you have to do. Don't try to force it in. The steering wheel's already facing to the right. He's going to pull up a little bit to the right, then center out. He's not going to overdo it. And on this particular clip, you'll see the trailer moving back to the left. See this? Now he's moving up, and look at the trailer. He's going to show the trailer on this shot. And see the trailer moving back to the left in line with the cone. And there's the fix. He's pointing to the trailer and pointing to the cone. In the overhead shot, you can see the lineup. Perfect. And now this driver's on his way to passing the test. You still have to manage the trailer as you back up. Keep it in proper position. You can make some corrections going backwards if needed, but keep the trailer like a yard off, a little bit off that cone, especially if you have a sleeper. But these are day cabs. And now he's in. He's ready to go. This is a sleeper, and he's coming in a little bit see deep on the line and away from the cone. So he's going to make a small adjustment. Look at the steering tires. He's got it right. He's going to pull up a little bit and see the trailer moving back into position. And as he backs up, he's still going to maybe give it a little bit of right. Look at if you can see the steering tires. Not a great video, but you can see the steering tires are going to give a little more right to move the trailer back closer to the cone and then follow up. And then with the left, bring it in. There it is.